I'm dying, I don't think I'm a bitch. No! I'm dying, I don't think I'm a bitch. No! I'm dying. Yeah. That'd be so funny when I actually die. I thought it was a good time to give y'all a life update because I'm in the car while my sisters are in Joanne's and I'm high as fucking shit. Oh yeah, there's been a lot happening lately and I'm sick. I went and got tested. It's not COVID. Where are these fucking hoes anyway? Like, I'm literally in front of my work. Okay, so I got really sick, guys. Like, super. Listen, I called out of work or whatever and told them that I couldn't come in. I tested negative for COVID, but even though I test negative, I have to be out of work for the next 10 days symptom free. And that's fucking crazy shit. But anyways, I'm sitting outside of work right now and I'm watching all my coworkers go in and it is somewhat satisfying because I hate those motherfuckers, and also somewhat giving me anxiety because I've hit this pen probably 200 times. And I know you're probably asking right now, Sienna, why the fuck are you smoking while being so sick? Well, I don't give a fuck. Oh god, here they come. Hey guys.
What? I don't want to hit your pen.
Oh, here you go, Sid.
Oh, fuck.
Well, what's up, folks? Yeah, what's up, folks? Sid has a new car. It's pretty cool.
Imagine you talk like that.
You fucking bitch. Wait, okay. Literally, are you guys seeing this? Really hella fucking foggy back there. What the fuck?
We're gonna go back to her.
Dude, you can see it. You guys see that fog? That looks insane.
It's 12:59.
12:59.
Cool.
This is gonna be the weirdest thing ever to watch this. It's gonna be crazy. That was so fucking scary. What the fuck, dude? What the hell? That was weird. I was so stressed out a second ago, like driving, and now I'm like, it's just chill.
Wolves in disguise, how you supposed to see them with the wool in your eyes? Sheep to the radio, we for the surprise. They ain't ever loved me, it's bullshit and lies. Won't you recognize all the real gold gets stole by design? That shit in your mind. Off a nigga head for these niggas and these dimes. Niggas sticking with the times, getting crippled by the crimes. Niggas say, yo, I heard your plug was dry. I heard your plug was dry, and I think I got